हे फैमिली। तो आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं मैप्स क्लास 6 एनसीईआरटी जियोग्राफी चैप्टर 4। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। नाउ वी शो अबाउट द मैप्स। मैप इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ और अ ड्राइंग ऑफ अर्थ सरफेस। वी कॉल इट रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ अर्थ सरफेस on a flat surface like a paper. Now you can see about type of map. There is a three type of map: physical, political and thematic. First one is a physical map. Map showing natural feature of the earth's surface like a mountain, plateaus, plain, river and ocean are called physical, otherwise relief maps. You can see here the map that represent natural feature, that's called physical map. तो यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं जहाँ पर ग्रीन पार्ट है वहाँ ग्रीनरी है, और जहाँ पर ये पार्ट है ये लाइक माउंटेन्स, वाइट दिस इज द आइस शील्ड एंड दिस ब्लू पार्ट इज ओशंस. Now second one is a political map. Map showing city, town, village and different the countries and state of the world and their boundaries, that called political map. Simple we can say that there is a boundaries are showing of the country is called political map. Now you can see here the map. This is the world political map. There is a boundaries and this is make by us, this called political map. Now third one is a thematic map. Some of the maps focus on specific information like a road, rainfall, distribution of forest, industries, that are known as thematic maps. Now you can see here like the population of Indian density. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कुछ इस तरह से मैप है. Then the focus on specific information, that called thematic map. Now the component of the map. There are the three component of the map. One is the distance, second is the direction, third is a symbol. Now we see about the first, distance. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown in the map. We use the distance measure in a scale very carefully. Distance between the place is a real, because you want to distance is same as in a map, therefore we use the scale. Now for example 5 semi on a map so 500 km, that's called small scale map, and 5 semi on the map shows 500 meter only on the ground, that called large scale map. Okay, you also remember about this small scale map and large scale map. 5 semi represent 500 km, that is small scale, and 5 semi represent 500 meter, called large scale map. Now second is the direction. The most map are show the arrow like N in upper side, that's called the direction, north direction. Now you can see here each and every map has like this, and these points are called cardinal points. Third is the symbol. Symbol gives lot of information about the space, and lot of space will be used in a map. There is an international agreement and symbol, there are called conventional symbol. Here you can see about the symbol like this: broad gauge, meter gauge and railway station, like this. Your river, well, tank and सभी के अलग अलग सिंबल होते हैं. Now what is the sketch? Sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory. Sketch is a drawing which mainly based on memory and not to scale. We also know as a rough drawing without scale, it's called sketch map. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं विदाउट स्केल बनाया गया घर, उसे स्केच कहते हैं. And plan is the drawing small area on a large scale, and lot of information like this. If you make a plan of your house, this is used for a plan because they each and everything are situated there, and very carefully we use this. You can see here the map. This is the cardinal point. मैप वन साइड स्केल. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि कुछ इस तरह से डिज़ाइन दी गई है. फॉरेस्ट लाइक ए प्लॉटिंग, रेलवे स्टेशन, टेम्पल, different thing you can see here in a map. And this is use the scale. Okay, 1 cm is equal to 10 meter for representation of the map on a paper. And this is the cardinal point and this is the symbol. They are the three most effective point you can use. Direction, cardinal point means distance, direction, and symbol. Thank you for listening and subscribe to our channel.